we got the Traxxas Russell with the Chevrolet Silverado body and some red cat wheels. And we're gonna do a speed run using these OVONIC batteries. So let's get it. Track, start. Stop, read, 1 mile an hour. All right, track, start. We're gonna give it one more run, guys. See if we can get past 35 miles an hour. No, I almost lost it. Let's try it again. A car in front of us. All right, let's see what we got. Stop, read, 36 miles an hour. So we did a little better, guys, on the second run. 36 miles an hour using these OVONIC 2S 5200 milliamp hour batteries, guys. As you can see, we got the OVONIC 5200 milliamp hour batteries, and we're using the GNS analyzer, guys, to run the speed. But yeah, that's pretty good, guys. 36 miles an hour on 2S. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
That's what put out a lipo fire.